Hi, my dear students. I am once again welcoming you to the IFRS classes. In this, we are discussing about the PPE problems, property, plant, and equipment problems. Already, we are completing four problems. That is two problems in explanation class, and remaining two problems is homework for you. In this homework, one most important point is you should not take the staff training. So in the problem of third problem, you should not take the staff training in the use of machine is not taken. Why? Because it is not associated with the cost of the asset. So that purpose, you should not take that. After this, the next most important problem is, it is very important problem. Problem number 5. Problem number 5. So Hari Om traders is the traders called as Hari Om traders. Hari Om traders purchased a plant from Shivam Limited. So here Hari Om Limited, Hari Om traders, they are purchasing a plant from Shivam Limited on the date of 30/9/2015 with quoted price of rupees 200 lakhs. This is the most important. You should convert it into the lakhs. How it will be converted means you should take it as 200 into 200 into 1 lakh. So it will become converted into 200 lakh. So 200 lakh is nothing but 200 into 1 lakh. You should multiply this. Yes, after this, Shivam Limited offer 3 months credit with a condition that what discount they are given, they given the 1.5% discount. They given the 1.5% discount. It is a trade discount. We should deduct, but first of all, we should calculate the trade discount based on the quoted price. Based on the quoted price only, we should calculate the discount. Will be allowed if the payment were made within 1 month. VAT. VAT is nothing but value added tax. How much the value added tax is? 14%. This 14% is calculated on quoted price. So here quoted price is nothing but purchase price. Quoted price is nothing but purchase price. How much the purchase price? 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs is the purchase price. After this, company incurs company incurs 2% on transportation cost. This 2% also calculated on the quoted price. 3% on erection cost. This is also calculated on the quoted price only. After this, pre-operative cost amounted to rupees 2 lakhs. So this one also we are multiplying with, this one also we are multiplying with 1 lakh. So now we get the 2 lakhs. Yes. After this, estimated life of the plant. It is the estimated life of the asset. How much the estimated life of the asset is? 8 years. The estimated life of the asset is 8 years. After the residual value is nothing but the scrap value of the asset. So this is the scrap value of the asset. How much the scrap value? 20 lakhs. Once again, you are multiply with the 1 lakh, you get the 20 lakhs. So after this, what we should going to calculate here, we should find out or calculate the original cost of the asset or the original cost of the plant. We are very well known to calculate the cost of the asset, but here another question they are given. This is the question B, carrying amount of the plant. So you should calculate, you are need to calculate another calculation here, that is what we called as carrying amount of the plant. So carrying amount also we are required to calculate. See in the problem, the information they given. What are the information they given here? So the information they given here, Harivom traders purchased a plant Shivam Limited. So the quoted price is they've given. The quoted price is nothing but the purchase price they given. Less the trade discount or the discount 1.5%. It is also we are take it into the statement of calculation of the cost of asset. After this, what are the adding items? VAT also adding item, and the transportation cost also adding item, and the erection cost also adding item, and the pre-operative cost also adding item, and they given the additional information, that is what we called as estimated life of the plant is 8 years and the residual value is 20 lakhs. So this is the additional points they are given. It both the 2 points we are take it in the calculation of carrying amount. After this, now we are going to the solution. So first of all, you should write down the heading. So it is a point. A point means they are asking 2 points in this problem. First one is the A problem, A point. So in this A point, we are going to calculate the original cost of the asset. You should write down the heading. What is the heading here? Statement of calculation of original cost of the plant. This is the heading. So you should open the statement, particulars amount or particulars rupees. After this, the next one is the quoted price. Here, quoted price or purchase price both are same. Quoted price or purchase price or base price. Base price, these three are same. Quoted price of the plant or purchase price or base price. How much the quoted price or purchase price? 200 lakhs. That is what we called as 200 lakhs. See, 200 lakhs. See, once you have to be see carefully. So 200 we are multiplying with the 1 lakh. So we get the 200 lakh. It is a simple calculation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 200 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ 1 lakh ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 200 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 200 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 200 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ 2 crores ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ 2 crores ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, 200 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 200 into 1 lakh we get the 200 lakhs. So 200 lakhs. Next, less discount. How much the discount is? 1.5%. What is the discount here? 1.5%. You should calculate it based on the quoted price. You should calculate it based on the quoted price. How much the quoted price? 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs into 1.5%. How much we get? 3 lakhs. So we get the 3 lakhs. When we are deducting these 3 lakhs in 200 lakhs, so how much we get? 1 lakh, 1 lakh 90, sorry, 197 lakhs. We get the 197 lakhs. After this, add. So what are the add items here? The first one is VAT. The first one is VAT. So how VAT is calculated means, see in the problem, they given VAT is 14% on the quoted price. So they clearly mention that VAT is 14% on quoted price. When the VAT is 14% on quoted price, you should take it as 200 lakhs, 200 lakhs into 14%. How much we get? 28 lakhs. We get 28 lakhs. After this, transportation cost. See in the problem what they are given about the transportation. Here 2% on transportation cost and 3% on erection cost of the quoted price. So they are also telling that you should calculate the transportation cost on quoted price. How much the quoted price? 200 lakhs into 2%. How much we get? 4 lakhs. We get the 4 lakhs. After this, erection cost. Erection cost is 3%. So it is also on the quoted price. So quoted price is 200 lakhs into 3%. How much we get? 6 lakhs. So we get the 6 lakhs and the pre-operative cost is 20 lakhs. Pre-operative cost. How much is the pre-operative cost here in the problem? Pre-operative cost amounted to rupees 2 lakhs. So here pre-operative cost is 2 lakhs. We are ticket in the 2 lakhs. So here you should add all those items. 197 lakhs, 197 lakhs plus 28 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 6 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. So how much we get? 237 lakhs. The total cost of the plant, the total cost of the plant or as per as per Indian AS 16, total cost, total cost as per Indian accounting standard 16. So how much? 237 lakhs. 237 lakhs. This is the first A question answer. How much we get the total cost of the plant? 2 lakh 37, sorry, 237 lakhs. So next B point. So they are also asking the another question, that is what we call as B point, calculation of carrying amount. So this is the second question they are asking for us. You should also need to calculate the carrying cost or the carrying amount. Here one formula we have to calculate the carrying amount. What is the formula here? Carrying amount equals cost of the asset minus depreciation. Carrying amount equals cost of the asset minus depreciation. So the cost of the asset, now we get the cost of the asset. What is the cost of the asset here? 237 lakhs. We have the cost of the asset. Whereas we don't have the depreciation amount. In this problem also they are not given the depreciation. Then what is the formula to calculate the depreciation here? Depreciation equals cost of the asset minus residual value divided by life of the asset. So the cost of the asset we have 2,37,000, sorry, 237 lakhs minus residual value. How much the residual value? See in the problem, the residual value is the 20 lakhs. The residual value is the 20 lakhs. You should take it the 20 lakhs. After this, so life of the asset. What is the life of the asset? See in the problem, the life of the asset estimated life of the asset is 8 years. Estimated life of the asset is 8 years. After this you should put it all the values in the formula. So the cost of the asset is 237 lakh. Residual value is the 20 lakhs divided by life of the asset is 8 years. When we are deducting the 237 lakhs minus 20 lakhs, we get the 217 lakhs divided by 8 years of life. When we are dividing this 217 lakhs divided by 8, how much we get? We get the depreciation of we get the depreciation of 27 lakh 12,500. The depreciation of 27 lakh 12,500. Then the carrying amount. So now you should come to the formula of carrying amount. So what is the formula of the carrying amount? Cost of the asset minus depreciation. What is the cost of the asset? We have 237 lakhs is the cost of the asset. Now we get the depreciation. 27 lakhs 12,500 is the depreciation value. So when we are deducting it, we get the therefore carrying amount. Therefore carrying amount is 209 lakhs 87,500. 209 lakhs 87,500 is the carrying amount. So this is the special problem, and it is the most important 2016 question paper problem. So which one it is? Harivom traders. So this is the fifth problem and the most important problem. It is a 2016 question paper problem. 2016 question paper problem. Harivom traders. Harivom traders. Once again, I am telling in this problem they are asking two questions. First one is the calculation of original cost, and the another one is the carrying amount of the asset. So this is the regarding this problem.